Hi guys, I got my August 2020 CurlKit. It just came in the mail today on the 1st of May, but at least I got it. Let me show you guys what I got in the box. And like usual, we got our Curl Life Spring Fling magazine. We get a magazine every month in our box. And in there it usually explains little tips on hair and the products that we got this month. They explained it. Different products. And I'm going to show you the products that we got in the box this month. First product is we got the new Lotta Body Coconut and Shea Oil Illuminate Me Shine Mist. And it says add brightness, add brilliance, shine, and refreshener and moisturizer here, soften and tames fizz. This is one of my favorite sprays. I had this in another box and I'm actually running out of the one I have, and I'm happy to get it again. And it really does provide pretty good shine. And the next thing I want to show you we got a Lotta Body Control Me Edge Gel in black. And it's another edge control gel, but it's all black. And I like it because it's good for my edges that are kind of a little bit gray, and a lot of times these type of gels help tame my edges and help darken the gray parts. So I like these type of gels, and it smells good. It has like a coconut smell. It smells really good. Next thing I got in this box is this right here. This is by Eden's Bodywork, and it's an almond marshmallow therapy leave-in conditioner, and it says it's actually made to drive away damage, and you'll see the improvements in your split ends with long-term benefits. Safe for color-treated, chemically treated, and natural hair. And you're supposed to apply this to freshly warm hair or freshly washed hair. And they want you to put it mostly on your ends. But this is it right here, and this has like a pina colada type smell. And you see it's a spray bottle. Next thing I got or received is Afro Sheen Grow Up Shine Spray. And I guess it's a new type of like sheen spray, but they put it in a nice bottle. I've never seen a sheen spray looking in a bottle like this. Let me see close up. And it's supposed to add finish and shine to your hair. This is what it looked like. This is sheen spray. And basically this is what it says. Supposed to blow it. It says it's good to use on blowout, sprayed out, twist outs. We hold the power in our crowns. And it says also add sheens to your texture here. Also, you can't wait to try this one. Last product we got or received is a product by a company called Newell, and this is supposed to be a serum for hair manageability. It said it's the only all-in-one residue-free blend that detangles, repairs, and protects your hair. It has no water in it. No synthetic oils. All the products are truly natural. It says put a few drops in your hair and run it through. So this is supposed to be kind of like a little shiny. Just open it up. Smell it. It smells like an essential oil that you use in like a aromatherapy type stuff. I guess I put a little bit in my hand, and then I'm just gonna run a little bit on my hair. This is like a shine spray. I mean, a spray of shine serum. Shine serum, basically. But that's my review on the April 2020 CurlKit that I received. Once I get more stuff in, I will try to do more reviews. I'm trying out this new editing software that I finally got new editing stuff. And that's my review today. Thanks for watching.